Hello families, welcome back to Forestville. So behind us have our latest unit, BMW 530e. So this one is in the year of 2022. So it's in the month of February of 2022. It's the G30 BMW 5 Series. So it's the plug-in hybrid. It's really amazing car. So you can plug in with the EV. It's up to 50 km running on the city in Singapore, and also it is coming with the petrol engine. So let's take a look our latest unit here. Alright, so if you see, this is really amazing unit from Forestville. We have the M5 kit. It is a two-tone color where actually it's like black on white. So if you see the ceiling, it is actually purely black and then nicely blended with the white color, which is it's a premium glossy purple white color. So it's a custom color by the previous owner. It is still under warranty of the PML, under the Performance Motors, which is the authorized distributor in Singapore. So it is having a 5 years warranty with them, free servicing. So anything until next year February, right? You don't need to be worried. Anything you can just bring back to the Performance Motors for any issue, any servicing, and then they will just come to you, pick the car up, and then you have no need to worry. Then they will settle everything for you, right? So it is coming with adaptive LED light headlight unit. You see how beautiful, how sharp is the unit with the DRL, the daytime running light. So beautiful, right? So if you see the hood here, it is the M5 with the like a pop hole here, right, to give more aerodynamic and also wind for the cooling system on your petrol engine. But it's not only that. If you see on the left side here, there is a charging station here, so you can plug in using the AC charger, right? And then you will having the pure electric car for your daily drive in Singapore. So around 45 to 50 km per charge. So the daily commuting, you can just purely using the EV, zero emission. It's really amazing car. So this one is our 5 Series coming with the amazing rims. If you see, it's custom. It is very matched with the body kit of the M5, right? So if you see, this one is having the carbon style of the mirror skirt or what covers, right? So it's really matched with the overall premium white color, right? Premium white purple color, the glossy custom color for this unit. So it's really amazing, very perfect, almost no scratch, almost very minimum wear and tear. If you see how beautiful the look from the back, this is the G30 LCI, which is the facelifted. It's in almost the latest from the BMW. You see how the kit from the behind, double exhaust, and it's the real exhaust, right? Having the 360-degree camera and also the blind spot monitoring, all the safety features from the BMW. And then all the four handle, the door handle is having the easy access kit, so you can just put your hand in and then the car will be open for you. Let's see inside, okay? Alright, now so you see the inside, it's really beautiful, having the cover of the M performance of the BMW with the carbon style covers, right? And then all leather, premium leather in the brown color, which is perfectly matched with the white body color kit. Original and premium floor mat. It's double layer, right? So you have the leather base cover mat, and also the kind of a very thick cloth base floor mat. And if you see the ceiling, it is coming with the LED door light. It's a fully auto, right? So it's how it actually turning on. Also, it's very soft dim. And then coming with the BMW I for the back of the dash cam. It's really beautiful, perfect car. Have the air vent, the behind one with the 2 charger of the USB type C, and also one 12-volt what you call the 12-volt electric power socket. Okay, so all the door handle is everything in the very premium custom lock button, right? And then this one is all fully auto retract, auto down and up for the power window, right? So it's really amazing. Let's see front. So this car is in a fair usage. For the total is 64,300 kilometer as of today. So how you start the car, it's still the same, but what's difference is, if you see here, have the welcoming you, the steering wheel will be docked down as per your last position of driving. And if you see, we are in the electric mode. Yeah, so there is no engine sound at all. It's really amazing, coming with a very big head unit system. I think this one is around 12 inch and fully auto, Android Auto, as well as the Apple CarPlay wireless. And it's coming with the wireless charging below, right? With the cup holder here, and then the BMW cockpit system with the auto hold system, the monitoring camera system, parking sensor system, battery control. If you want to focus on the petrol engine and then let the engine also charge for you, you just need to press this one. And then coming with the different driving style, of course the sport, which is tapping on more the petrol engine with the support of the EV motor, which is make this car really fast. It's around 5 seconds to get you from 0 to 100 km/h. And then the brake horsepower is at 288 brake horsepower, which is way higher than your normal 520, which is the normal hybrid car. Okay, so you have the hybrid mode as well as the full electric mode. And then all the system here is perfect with the premium sound system, with the dual digital dashboard as well as your head unit. It's very modern, very good, coming with the cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind monitoring system, right? And also the lane keeping assist will auto correct for you. So this is how it looks, right? It's really amazing car, 530e under the forest wheel. Okay, so don't hesitate if you want this car. So don't hesitate to connect with your partner, families, right? Contact me, Edward, or you can call me at forest wheel at below number, right? And then we are giving you the best price as well as the best consultation for your family. So don't hesitate, just connect with us and then we will help you. Okay, see you with another great unit under forest wheel. Bye bye.